Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blockchain News Club. We have some major price update from Ripple and XRP. We are seeing the price of XRP soaring beyond 43 cents. A breakout from current levels could lead to a rally toward 49 cents. The price of XRP is getting ready to go up by 45% as Brad Garlinghouse gets ready for an easy win against the SEC. XRP shows signs of improvement as the final countdown to the SEC verdict begins. Before we dive deep into today's updates, please subscribe to our Blockchain News Club channel. It will help us immensely. Ripple is getting bigger. XRP has reached 43 cents. Will the next price for XRP be 49 cents? Everything is going just as expected. Over the past 24 hours, the price of XRP has gone up by more than 5% and is now around 43 cents. The XRPL native coin hasn't fully recovered from the collapse of FTX and Alameda like Bitcoin and Ethereum have. So, a move up to 49 cents could happen if the current levels are broken. This means that a move in this direction is likely. A well-known analyst on Twitter, Precision Trade 3, says that the price of XRP moves in the same way as the price of Bitcoin. As a result, the price of XRP could go up to 35 cents in the near future if Bitcoin goes down in value. With a market capitalization of about $21,230,000,000 and a daily trading volume of about $1,175,000,000, the XRP market has a long way to go before it can be considered one of the top 5 digital assets. The price of XRP is getting ready to go up by 45% as Brad Garlinghouse gets ready for an easy win against the SEC. The price of XRP is breaking out of a long-term downward trend that began in November 2021. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has sued the big payment company Ripple. The company's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, is hopeful that they will win the case. Ripple's optimism is clear from how quickly their decentralized public blockchain XRPL core ledger is being built up. The price of XRP is at a crucial point where the altcoin could end a long-term downtrend. The price of XRP has been going down since November 2021. Since then, things like updates to the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, new developments, and announcements by Ripple, the biggest public holder of XRP, have affected the price of the asset. The development of the XRPL core ledger shows that Ripple is sure it will win. XRP ledger is a public blockchain that is not controlled by one person or group. It is still being developed, and its ecosystem is getting new features. After breaking through the 30-day, 50-day, and 100-day exponential moving averages, the XRP price is at an important point. Akash Jairamath, the lead technical analyst at FX Street, says that a retest and then a break above these EMAs show that people are still interested in buying XRP. If the XRP price breaks out of the long-term trend line that has been going down, it will be able to move past 49 cents. XRP is getting stronger as the countdown to the SEC decision starts. When it was said that a lawsuit might be settled on a certain date, XRP moved. CoinMarketCap data showed that XRP's market capitalization went over $20 billion for the first time since the FTX contagion hit the market more than 2 months ago. This happened right after the global crypto market cap went back over $1 trillion, which showed that the losses caused by FTX were being turned around. Over 50% of all billion-dollar transactions on Ripple are now done with XRP. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, has made a big announcement about the growth of XRP. Brad Garlinghouse told CNBC in a recent interview that XRP is now used for more than half of the network's transactions. The growth shows how XRP has changed and become more popular over time, especially since the number of XRP transactions was much smaller in the past. Garlinghouse also said that the number of contracts and customers who use Ripple's network has gone up. He says that the growth can be explained by the fact that Ripple has been putting out more quarters and more currency pairs. This has helped the company become known and trusted in the market. When asked how the SEC lawsuit against Ripple in late 2020 would affect the company, the CEO told CNBC that he didn't know how new and old customers would react to the lawsuit. Ripple's U.S. customers are confused about Ripple and its future since the SEC said it was a security. But it looks like non-U.S. investors have become much more interested in Ripple since the lawsuit was filed. In the last 2 years, 95% of Ripple's new customers have come from outside the United States, the CEO says. Brad Garlinghouse said that we now handle transactions worth billions of dollars, and that XRP is now used for well over half of all transactions. Let's look at the XRP price prediction now that the Ripple lawsuit is about to end. If Ripple wins the case, can XRP reach $10? The chart for XRP shows that it is making progress. Its relative strength index has gotten very close to 70 in the last few days, which shows that the optimism surrounding the Ripple case has given its market more buying pressure. At the same time, XRP's 30-day moving average has moved closer to its 200-day average, which is a sign of a possible breakout, especially if the shorter-term average passes the longer-term average. All of this is happening because investors are optimistic about Ripple's chances in its 2-year case with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. CEO Brad Garlinghouse told CNBC last week that he thinks the case will end very soon. This has made people more optimistic about XRP, which has had a good week and a good month. And if someone looked at what has happened so far in the case between Ripple and the SEC, they might think that Ripple really does have a good chance of winning. In terms of actual price predictions, opinions range from more realistic predictions of $1.30 after the Ripple SEC case is over to longer-term goals of $10 or even higher. This is possible, but it depends on Ripple winning its case and the economy as a whole getting better again. Even though the cryptocurrency market has gone up a little bit in the past week or so, it is still not in a fully bullish state. It is still waiting for the global economy to fully recover before it starts to surge again. Former U.S. National Security Advisor Michael Flynn says, this government and some private actors are right now in a beta test of a CBDC for about 90 days. Take a look at the video.
But Executive Order 14067 is an executive order on central bank digital currencies, and it is in effect as of 13 December this past month. And this current government, along with some private actors, are right now in a beta test, about a 90-day beta test. And that beta test is to start to test this idea of a central bank digital currency.
And listen to this, folks. It's all happening.
Dr. Clay, 2023, I call it a year of transition, and this is where we got to be out in front of it. The year of transition is really for two things. It's for the financial system, and it's for the health system, global. Okay, not of the United States of America, but this crowd back here, they are now this week talking about, and they'll finish up this week, they're talking about really two big fundamental things that they want to change: the financial system of the world, and we'll talk about BRICS maybe here in a minute, and the health system. So, Clay.
The SEC lawsuit verdict, current price increase, and the US CBDC beta testing, it's all happening. The timing is perfect. XRP will be the bridge currency between the walled gardens of CBDCs. The price of XRP is bound to go higher. My prediction, it will surpass the all-time high of $3.40. It's just a matter of time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for regular updates in the blockchain community.